Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Roblox cannot chat in June 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is check if you're allowed to chat. If you're in the privacy settings and if you see the Who Can Chat With Me app and it's not on everyone, if it is set to no one, you won't be able to chat. Simply go ahead and turn it to everyone or friends. Once you've done that, if it is because of your age requirements, so you must be 13-year-old plus to chat, make sure that your birth date is correct in your account settings and verify your email address. In order to verify your email address, just go to settings and account info and verify your email. And unverified emails can restrict chat. If that is not the case, you might need to check your Roblox server status. So just go to status.roblox.com to see if all of it is operational. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and restart your Roblox and your device. And if that is not the case, chatting experiences might also be turned off into your settings and privacy. Simply go ahead and turn that off and also make sure that you're not muted. You might need to check your game chat settings as well because sometimes it might not be visible. You can also try checking by trying a different game. If none of it works, just simply visit this site to contact Roblox Support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.